Okay, Jay in Florida, I got your new Washington here, so appreciate the order, and got your fans on for you right there, and they're running right now, so we got a good amount of airflow kind of coming right over the heat sink for you there. So it'll keep it cool. So when you get the radio, if you want the fans to stop running and be thermostatically controlled, just go to temperature protection. Of course, peel this off so you can see what you're doing. Once you get it above 20 Celsius, the fans will be more thermostatically controlled. Well, I'm going to leave it on there for now. I'll let you decide on what you want to do with the radio. So what we want to do now, let's get out of this test. I was just looking at something. Frequency. So I'm going to make this really short and sweet because I want to try to get this boxed up for you and sent off with the mail today. I'm going to let President know that you wanted the free mic, the Digi mic, and we'll be all set. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that's how it looks on the spectrum analyzer. Here is the meter. So the carrier's up about 18, 19 watts, and then with peak envelope power on AM, it's usually up there in the 70s, close to 80, which is okay. Very clear and really good quality modulation on these on AM. Again, they're not going to blow the doors off of anybody, but it's more the quality of the modulation. You know, you have to hear the radio to appreciate how it actually sounds over the air. So, you know, you want to, a lot of guys want to be loud, but when you're super loud, you don't have a good quality of modulation. And I think most guys would appreciate a better quality sound than somebody that's just blaring loud, screaming down their throat in their radio. We all know what that sounds like when you get somebody on the air and you're listening. And here's sideband for you right here, so it's doing good. When you're listening to somebody on the airwaves and then, you know, they have a really nice sound, and somebody else comes out there and they're so loud you got to turn the volume halfway down just to understand them, and then you still can't really understand them because they're just so screeching loud. It's too much. It overdrives the receiver on your radio, and it's just a hot mess. So these radios have a nice quality sound, and a lot of guys really like that. So I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to really keep it much longer than I need to. Let's just do a really quick and uneducated receiver test. So this is just a really raw kind of receiver test, but we have this handheld radio here. It's in FM mode. It's on the same frequency as this radio. Of course, you have all the frequencies in this radio, and I did put a QSL card in the box for you, and the fans are on like you asked. So we're just going to key this radio and speak into the microphone on it. Check 1 2, check 1 2. So pretty much that's telling you that it's receiving a signal full scale from the little handheld radio. And I won't transmit on this radio because we'll probably blow away the receiver on that radio since the dummy loads right under the table here. But that's just a quick kind of raw assessment of the receiver. Let's lower our RF gain way down to like 1, and we'll try that same test and see if we can still pick it up. Yeah, we should. 1 2 3, 1 2, check check. It's pretty cool. You can see the handheld. You can see the handheld radio on the spectrum analyzer. It is a little off frequency, but it is what it is. You know, it doesn't matter so much. Anyways, pretty cool. So we'll get this one out to you today, and I want to say thanks, and 73.